Welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute frog. So first of all, we will make circles for the eyes. Just like this. Slow and steady. This will be our first eye. Now from some distance, we will make another eye. Try to make it of the same size. Just like this. Now I will make a smaller circle at the edge of this larger circle like this. Same goes here. Repeat this step. A larger circle with a smaller circle. Now another smaller circle at the edge of this circle. Again, repeat this step. Now I will fill this space. Okay, so now our cute eyes are complete, and I will now draw an oval for the head. Starting from the side, we will extend very slowly and steadily, moving all around from here like this, and then meeting it to this eyeball. Here we go. Now I will draw a line in the center connecting these two eyeballs. I will now make a laughing smile. Extend a line like this. Now make a U just like this. It's like a frog is laughing. Now making its tongue a curved line like this. And another curved line like this. Here we go. Now I will be making its two front feet. For that, we will draw two lines like this. And then with some space, two lines like this. Now for the webbed feet, I will be making an extended M like this. Here we go. Now I will be joining this point to the end of the M, just like this. Same goes here. Now the front webbed feet are complete. It's time to make the body of the frog. I will be making again a bigger oval for the body. Starting from this point, we will extend the body like this. Again, from this point, extend it like this. Here we go. Now we will attach this point from here. Now the body is complete. It's time to make its back legs. For that, I will be drawing from this point, from the side of his body, a tube like this, curved, and then a straight line. Same goes here. An inverted tube, and then a straight line like this. Now for the webbed feet, I will be making sideways M. Just follow along, just like this. Here we go. Now I will be attaching this point to this side of the body. Move it in a straight line, like this. Same goes here. Here we go. Our back where feet are now almost ready. Now we will make an inclined line here. Just follow along, like this. And then another inclined line here, like this, in order to make the bended knee. Now in the next step, I will be making my drawing a bit more prominent. And I will fast forward this step. It's time to paint a cute little frog. I will be using light green color for the frog. You can paint your frog whichever color you like. Pink, orange, blue, red, whichever color you like the most. Even some frogs are multicolored, just like rainbows. Now our frog is complete. I will be painting the inside of the mouth, and for that I will be using black color. Now for the tongue, I will be using bright red color. Now I'm using a dark green marker and I would be drawing some cute little spots on his body. Our frog is now ready. See you in the next video with another cute drawing. Bye bye.